In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add friends on Steam. Whether you're new to Steam or just looking to expand your gaming network, this guide will walk you through the simple steps of connecting with friends on this popular platform. Let's get started. First things first, you'll want to open your Steam app. If you're using a desktop, look for the Steam icon and give it a click. For mobile users, tap the app icon on your device. Once you've opened the application, you're ready to proceed to the next step. Next, focus your attention on the top right corner of the Steam interface where you'll find the login button. Click on this to bring up the login screen. Here, you'll need to enter your account name and password. It's crucial to ensure that you input your credentials correctly to avoid any login issues. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry, there's a handy forgot password link you can use to reset it. Once your details are in, click on the sign in button. This will take you directly to your Steam homepage, which is your main hub for navigating the platform's features. Now you're logged in and ready to manage your friend list. On your Steam homepage, look for the Friends option. This is usually located in the main menu or toolbar. Clicking on it will open a drop-down menu with several friend-related options. One of these is Add a Friend, which is what we're looking for. Select this option to proceed. Adding a friend on Steam gives you two main choices. You can either search for your friend using their Steam username, or you can send them a quick invite link. The quick invite option is particularly useful if you're not sure about your friend's exact username, or they have a common name that makes searching difficult. To do this, find the section labelled Send a Quick Invite and click on it. Steam will generate a unique invitation link for you. This link is your key to sending a friend request with ease. Copy the invitation link to your clipboard. You can do this by right-clicking the link and selecting the copy option, or simply by using the shortcut Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac. Now you're ready to share this link. Finally, send the copied link to your friends. You can send it via message, email, or even through social media chats. Once your friend receives the link, they can click on it and follow the instructions to accept your friend request. And there you go, you've successfully added a friend on Steam. I hope you found this guide helpful. Feel free to revisit any of these steps if you need a refresher, and happy gaming.